Okay,
Yeah.
his date of birth and place of birth.
His place of birth is Jammu, right?
Mhm.
His date of birth is
पता ही नहीं
sunshine क्या है तू
क्यों बताऊँ
बता ना
क्यों बताऊँ
सितंबर
नो -1
अच्छा मैंने भी तो तुझे बताया ये मैंने तुझे बताया
Come
था
on.
ना मैंने तुझे
मैंने
बताया
मंथ खुद गेस किया था ठीक है
अगस्त
नो
ओके टेल मी आई रियली वांट टू नो
अप्रैल
अप्रैल हाँ ही इज इन एरीज
टॉरियन
अच्छा टॉरस मार्च अप्रैल अच्छा हाँ
Yeah.
एरीज व्हाट
23rd April
23rd अप्रैल ओके
89
ओके
Okay, his favorite song, all time or actual, whatever he sings.
all you know he is a very good singer, he loves music, so I can't name one favorite song because he sings lot of songs. मतलब उसका favorite तो आजकल तो वो है तलब तलब तलब
भी।
वो जन्म जन्म जो
तेरा favorite है
तू भी
हाँ,
तो
actually,
गाता
हम
रहता
दोनों
है he is
गाते रहते
always singing जन्म
हैं। हम
जन्म
मैं गाता हूँ ये बजाती है
right now yeah
Okay, his nicknames.
I only know Siddhant Sid
easy no nobody knows my nickname my dad calls me Bunny
Bunny
So, yeah.
yeah
Okay, what is Siddhant obsessed with?
obsessed with clothes and shoes and sunglasses and perfume. He's obsessed. You
Yeah,
know, he has crazy shoes, crazy clothes. He can just shop. He can just keep shopping.
Okay, his favorite movie.
I don't know that. Which one is it?
there are many actually
Yeah, there are many actually.
Okay, his favorite actor and actress.
I think his favorite actress is Katrina Kaif.
go on I'll correct it.
Yeah, and his favorite actor is
so my favorite actor is Matthew McConaughey
okay Hollywood. I didn't know.
I really follow him in the sense I wish I can act as well as he does. And my favorite actress, there are many actually. Jennifer Lawrence, there's an
Oh.
Indian film industry, it's Madhuri Dixit. of
Okay,
course.
so we have common.
Yeah.
Okay,
actors.
3 unknown things about Siddhant.
3 unknown things about Siddhant. फर्स्ट वुड बी ये जो मुझे बोलते रहता है दिल बहुत बड़ा है दिल बहुत बड़ा है पता नहीं मुझे क्या देख के बोलता है बट मैंने तो देखा है इसका दिल एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा है ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट हार्ट विच आई रियली अडोर अबाउट हिम सेकेंड थिंग विच नोबडी नोज इज he is a complete girl, you know. He takes hours and hours to get ready and he'll take hours and hours to do his touch up. He takes hours to get out of his room. He's a complete girl that way. Okay, and third thing which nobody knows is you know he is मतलब बहुत ऐसा होता है ना कि जो गुड लुकिंग लड़के होते हैं बहुत प्लेयर टाइप होते हैं जो और बिल्कुल दे कैन यू नो दे नो कि गर्ल्स आर गोइंग टू थ्रो देमसेल्व्स ऑन मी सो ओके वील टेक एडवांटेज बट ही इज़ वन एक्सट्रीमली गुड लुकिंग बॉय हु हैज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली नाइस कैरेक्टर you know he is very good about that. He will never try and take advantage of a girl or do anything. He will be very honest and he has very good, you know, intentions towards girls and he really really respects them.
It's sweet of you. You just made up for your second clause. By the way.
What?
Nothing. The second point, I said you just made up for your second point.
No.
Like, I
I swear.
2 मिनट में मैं अपने रूम से बाहर होता हूँ यहाँ आने के
नहीं
बाद.
please I swear about that this girl thing. So he's a very good boy. Good boy.
Okay, his favorite holiday destination.
His favorite holiday destination, I think, Dubai, because he loves shopping. He's crazy about shopping.
No, where I really want to go is Vegas.
Vegas, yeah.
And which I really like is yeah, I really want to travel the world actually. I don't have the time, like, but yeah, I hope I travel the world soon.
Soon.
Okay, Siddhant craves for.
Siddhant craves for clothes and shoes.
Okay. How would Siddhant want his perfect life partner to be?
A mature and understanding person, you know, who because he's a little, you know, fancy, spoiled, thoda sa impulsive boy. So I think he would want a girl who's like who can calm him down, sober him up, and understand him. He's a very sweet boy. He would just want genuine love.
Okay. Is Siddhant's comfort clothes?
His comfort clothes is usually in his tracks and his tees, right?
Yeah.
His favorite brand?
Ganges and track.
His favorite brand in India to shop is Zara.
Okay. How many siblings does he have?
He has one elder brother.
Okay. 3 things he for sure carries with himself in his bag.
3 his perfume, okay, his protein powder and his wallet.
Wow. What can instantly boost his mood?
Instantly what will he loves talking dirty gandi batein.
कितनी झूठ बोल तो मेरी इमेज
सच्ची
खराब
बोल
कर रही है यार ये
सच्ची
लड़की। क्या गंदी गंदी बातें तेरा बता
मजाक कर रही सच्ची में। गुड फूड एक्चुअली ही ऑल्सो एंजॉयज गुड फूड. गुड फूड कैन एक्चुअली बूस्ट अप हिज मूड. ओह अच्छा खाना है, मटन आया है, चलो खाते हैं.
Okay, among Alia, Pariniti and Shraddha, who would Siddhant date, kill, marry?
Okay, he would date Alia. No, he would date Shraddha, marry Alia, kill Pari.
No, I think I'll marry Shraddha and I'll date Alia.
Yeah, marry
Kill
Shraddha.
nobody.
पहले वाला सही था. You know it's me. It's a
No,
clear
hello,
win.
why?
Okay, tell me honestly.
How?
It's a clear
Tell me
win.
how.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you the
Question बताओ.
question. No, okay, I'll tell you the answer.
इसको मेरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, मंथ ऑफ बर्थ, ईयर ऑफ बर्थ छोड़ ही दो. मैं हाँ कर रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है सारे सही
Okay,
है.
तो फिर तो डिनाई कर देना चाहिए था. Fine, okay, it's okay यार.
I think we both won.
This hamper goes to.
थैंक यू सो मच. और ये इसमें सिद्धांत की वजह से भी जीती हूँ क्योंकि यू नो मैं
क्योंकि
इसे-
मैंने हाँ में हाँ
नहीं,
मिलाया
नहीं,
हर बात
मैं इसे ज्यादा जानती हूँ. देखो अब बैग में क्या है, क्योंकि इसकी आदत नहीं, मेरा बैग खोल के देखिए, मेरी आदत है इसका बैग खोल के देखना. और ये ज्यादा बातें नहीं करता, तो ये एफर्ट नहीं करता मुझसे पूछने का मेरे बारे में. मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा बातें करती हूँ तो मैं एफर्ट करती हूँ ये क्या है वो क्या है ऐसे जानने का. और मैं लड़की हूँ तो ऑफकोर्स मैं सोचने की कोशिश करती हूँ ऐसा अच्छा इसका अच्छा, इसलिए मुझे सब कुछ पता था. एंड आई एम इंटेलिजेंट ऑफकोर्स. थैंक यू सो मच. ये क्या है?
ठीक है. Top.
ओह सो क्यूट. उसमें क्या है? डियर रक्षा. ओह सो स्वीट. एवरीथिंग
खाने की चीजें. जैस्मिन को ज़्यादा दुख होने वाला है. There's some chocolates and nice chocolate
हाँ
rolls.
तो दे देना फिर मुझे.
Sushma भी मत.
उसमें क्या है?
Truffle, they're very fancy chocolates. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
A small dinner treat for you both. Seriously
for
loving you
both.
guys so much. You are rocking
चॉकलेट्स
as
मेरे
it-
लिए है और ये
as-
विनर के
as
लिए था.
twins and are two absolutely adorable individuals in real life too. Just wanted you both to know. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so much.
Maria.
Maria.
France, yeah. She's from France. You're in France.
Yeah.
You're following our show.
थैंक यू. And thank you so much for this also.
I love you this much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. I was shocked to see all these gifts by you. A great. I feel really nice. Thanks a lot. I love you.
Yes, I love you more actually. Thank you so much for loving me and keep loving me, keep loving us. And I promise to entertain you as till I can and as much as I can. Thank you.